Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install Java on Windows PC. Go to your Google web browser and type Java, and as you can see, this is the result, and all you have to do is to click this download Java. And you can also see this down here and see all 8 downloads for desktop users. This information will give you an idea on what Windows you should use for this Java application, or what type of PC or what type of gadget you can only use for this Java application. So once you install this one, all you have to do is to run as administrator and then wait for a few minutes and then click install and then wait for a few minutes again. And as you can see here, it is installing. Now, if it doesn't work with your PC, then you must go again with the site that I have shown earlier and look for the compatibility or the right application for your system or for your computer or for your laptop, because sometimes this Java application is not compatible with the personal computer that you're using, with the laptop that you're using. So always make sure that there is a match for compatibility so that there will be no errors and you can use Java application smoothly. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.